So in the last video, you guys should have seen me on the way to the event, and this is also squishy making number 2. The chips I had from before. Okay. Okay, well, I'm back. I chose the squishy. I don't really like the smell. Okay, so it's really squishy though. Let's get the surgery tools. Surgery! Where's the surgery tool? Surgery tool. Okay, I think I can make this into a donut. Oh, my sister's not here today. She's at her appointment. That's a word. Oh, it's pink on the inside. Cool. I prepared for my surgery on S10 squishy. Because I've been unboxed this. So it stays on the pad. Okay. That one went flying. So there used to be a square spot at the bottom, but I tried to round that, and I don't think it's really working. Smooth in. Smooth. 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 Squishy makeover. I'm doing the same series in one day. Can't believe I'm doing that. Can't wait till I post this video. At the end, this will be the perfect squishy. Bum, bum, bum. It's so quiet here. Right, Ma? You doing your story? My mom's making a story. Now the YouTube knows my mom's writing a story. Okay, well, I tried. I kind of tore it apart. Okay, so... Mom, I think I forgot a paintbrush.
I'm not gonna paint here.
Why?
Because you know it's not.
But I'm on top of the paper.
No, because if you get it on your finger and accidentally touch anything, it's gonna stain it.
Well, I might paint in the next video. I'm just gonna continue cutting this. I'm gonna have to make a hole in the middle because I'm making a donut. Just ripping the middle. This donut will be my masterpiece. I'm gonna try to keep this squishy after this video. No, the surgery's not working. Surgery. I probably have a lot of crazy emotions in this video. See, today I'm gonna get this blue thing in my mouth that I have to re-get it in because it came out. See, I have one right now. I'm supposed to have two. The hole is not working. This is a donut, so today it's a hole. Surgery. Mr. Monkey, don't die. Mr. Monkey's deciding to jump off the cliff. I'm like, no. I jumped off the cliff. Why am I out of the camera? I'm back in the camera. Maybe I don't want to be just friends. Do 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 do. Why performing surgery on this? Ooh, it wasn't be a donut. I found a hole. Where does hole lead? Where do you lead, hole? I made it through the other side. Now I just gotta continue this. There's a little hole on this side. video's long because I'm just cutting here. Tried to make this video like 3 times in the car and it wasn't working because my phone kept sliding. I'm like, no, don't do that. This squishy has already performed so much surgery, but I think the hole in the middle is done. Well, I'm gonna keep trying to go around it. Squishy's life. Please don't kill me with those scissors. I'm like, ha 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 ha. Killing you with the squishies to make you renew you. It's probably a face. It's probably gonna have a face. Hopefully to have a face. Did I get some of my food? I have to show you guys Squishy's death. So much death of it. Where did that go? Mom, have you read the book Bullwhip? So I thought of a good thing that we could call this place, and I called it Cookie Island. So hello Cookie Island video viewers, because that's probably what I'm gonna call you now. Cookie Island viewers. People of Cookie Island. Oh, I recently just made a new account on my computer, so if you tried to trade my new account, it looks way different from my normal Coraline cookies. Well, then I'm sorry I'm not gonna be able to trade you all the things I used to have.
So I just wanted to make sure that you didn't leave, that's why.
So I don't really have anything anymore. Look, I already destroyed like half of it. Sorry. Oh, I'm almost done. After this, I'm gonna have to smooth it with the scissors and give it more surgery. Oh god, the camera says it's been like 16 minutes. This video's long. Very long, because I'm just cutting the squishy, so it's probably boring. You can exit off the video if you think you're bored. I think I just made my squishy have more holes. It was already... Ew, it still smells. So in the next video, I'll probably be painting the squishies I made. So that would be part 3. And I'll also do that today, so that will probably be like squishy makeover, painting the squishies.
Thank you very much.
Oh, no
Love the dog.
She helped me get in today because they always.
Oh, yeah?
I never do. I'm like, oh, it's locked. She's like, no, just got in.
No, I need the bathroom. Thank you.
Have a great one.
Okay, now it's done, but it's still bumpy, so I have to smooth it out with the scissors. Gotta pause that video so I can make it quick. Okay, it's finished, and that's what it looks like, the final touch. So now I think we're kind of done. So in the next video, we'll probably be painting this one. Now let's move on to the next squishy to cut. Do you think poop needs it? Maybe it could go like this and make like a tiny little body. Or just make it like a cone. You need the ice cream cone. I could turn it into an ice cream. I'm gonna go look at my other squishies, see if the others need makeovers. Mr. Monkey might need a makeover. I think its head doesn't need these. What could we change about you? Maybe we could make it a rainbow monkey when we paint. We also have this. I don't have an idea for this one yet. I don't have an idea for this, but I'm thinking I might have a good idea. I do have an idea for this. I think we're gonna make this into something like an ice cream bear. But how? We'll probably cut off this part here. Let me cut off this part. It looks bald now. And that's the top. Maybe we could add something like hair, like her hair. Boom, boom, boom. That might look cute. Or just a big block. Make it look. Wow. I don't know. I don't know why I'm whispering, but maybe we could go like put this on the bottom like it's on a little chair. That like that. Or just do the hat. Has a hat. It has a military hat. Yeah, that's a good idea. Because before it looked like just like this, but now it's probably gonna look like. Yeah, that. I actually like that. Okay, so thumbs up and please subscribe. And in the next video, we'll be painting the squishies.